So how to install PAC-12 Now app? So yeah, it's a streaming service for the PAC-12 networks. Follow your favorite PAC-12 sports teams and athletes on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. And you can just access these live events and linear programs on PAC-12 networks. So yeah, and this is pretty cool that you can have over 1,000 live sports events, 30 plus football games, and 100 plus basketball games. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's not a new app, but it's goes in the top charts during the like season. So double click to install it, and then yeah, you can just see all of the different sports. It's pretty cool. And then yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can allow notifications. And then you can just choose your favorite themes. Choose a sport, and then like football, for example, you can just finish that, and then yeah, you can just see the details. So pretty cool. And then yeah, that's the idea. And then you can also see stand-ins. You can see live scores, obviously, and some recaps that you can see here. And then you can see videos. So yeah, then that's basically what it is. So yeah, try it out.